Ojuani Meyi takes a new wife. Patience is the key to gaining honest wealth, just as catching fish with a net requires great patience. These were the names of the two awasis who performed divination for the Princess of Ado, Omo Ewi Ado, when she was about to enter the world of commerce. She was told that she was the destined wife of Orunmila, who would help her achieve great success in business. During this time, Ojuani Meyi visited the palace. He was drawn to the princess and asked the Iwi of Ado, her father, for her hand in marriage. The Oba responded that he had no objection, provided that his daughter agreed to marry Ojuani Meyi. The Oba even offered Ojuani Meyi a chieftaincy title if he could ensure the success of the princess's business. However, Ojuani Meyi, though committed to helping the young woman prosper, declined the title. At this point, the Ewi invited his daughter and informed her of Ojuani Meyi's marriage proposal. When asked if she was willing to marry him, the princess immediately confirmed her interest and accepted him as her husband. There were many admirers in the town who had long desired to marry the princess. Upon hearing that the Oba had given her to Ojuani Meyi, they reacted with resentment, deciding to withdraw their loyalty and respect from the king. Upon returning home, Ojuani Meyi consulted Ifa to determine what needed to be done for the princess to succeed in her business. Orunmila advised him to offer a sacrifice consisting of 16 doves, 16 ducks, 16 guinea fowls, 16 bags of money, 16 pieces of cloth, 16 portions of soap, and a male goat for Eshu. Ojuani Meyi began the sacrifice by offering a male goat to Eshu. He then gathered the necessary sacred leaves from the forest and used 4 of the prescribed items to prepare a special soap, keeping the remaining 12 doves to be raised at home. He gave the soap to the princess and instructed her to bathe with it. The next day, she traveled to Oja Ajigbo Mekon. Before she arrived at the marketplace, Eshu had already gathered all the most valuable trade goods into a central stall at the heart of the market. Not only that, but Eshu also walked through the marketplace ringing a bell and announcing to all the traders that the Princess of Ado had arrived with the finest, most durable goods for sale. Thanks to this divine intervention and strategic promotion, she sold all her merchandise at an exceptional profit. Those who were unable to buy from her that day begged her to return with more goods for the next market day. And so, her business flourished until she eventually became wealthier than her own father. She was a devoted and loving wife to Ojuani Meyi, and together they raised many children. Lessons learned. This story of Ojuani Meyi and the Princess of Ado teaches us valuable lessons about destiny, patience, and divine favor. Patience and perseverance bring success. Just as catching fish requires waiting, achieving success in business or life demands persistence and strategy. The power of sacrifice, Abo. Ojuani Meyi's offerings ensured divine blessings, reminding us that sacrifices made with faith bring great rewards. Jealousy breeds resentment. The townsmen who resented Ojuani Meyi's union with the princess lost favor with the king due to their envy. Envy blinds us to opportunities for our own growth. Divine guidance leads to prosperity. Ifa's wisdom guided Ojuani Meyi to ensure his wife's success, proving that seeking divine counsel can help us overcome obstacles and thrive. Engage with the audience. What do you think? Have you ever seen patience and sacrifice lead to great success? Share your thoughts in the comments. Would you like to hear more Ifa wisdom? Let us know which Yoruba legends and teachings you'd love to explore next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Ifa wisdom and storytelling. May your path be clear and your sacrifices always bring blessings. Ash.